Langchain is revolutionizing how we build AI-powered applications. At its core, Langchain is an open-source framework designed to help developers integrate large language models with real-world tools and data sources. Instead of just generating text, Langchain enables AI to reason, retrieve information, and even take action. So how does it work? Langchain connects AI with memory, APIs, and databases, allowing it to recall past interactions, fetch live data, and interact with different systems seamlessly. This means you can create smarter chatbots, automate research, or even build AI agents that perform tasks without constant supervision. One of its most powerful features is chains, which allow you to string together multiple AI steps to create complex workflows. It also supports agents, which make AI more dynamic by letting it decide what tools to use and when. Whether you're working with Python or JavaScript, Langchain provides flexible building blocks to simplify AI development. And with a growing community and continuous improvements, it's becoming an essential tool for anyone looking to push the boundaries of AI. The future of AI isn't just about answering questions. It's about reasoning, adapting, and taking meaningful action. And with Langchain, that future is already here.